Good morning, good day. We have a bad boy here, Honda cbf125. I had an issue yesterday when I knocked off from work. Went on my bike, put on my helmet, put the ignition on. When I put the ignition on, was only the neutral light that was going on and the engine light is not going on, and I was like wondering. So when I press the push start button, it's not starting. It's not even anything going on. I tried to press the hooter, what's going on, indicator was going on, and then I was like wondering. So I came, open my boot, and I opened my boot. I thought it was that fuse. I thought maybe the fuse was broken, but the fuse was still new. You can tell right there. Check it, it was fine. And I was like stressed up, and I was like wondering what's going on with my bike. Man, it was like lunchtime. I quickly just installed the indicator relay on the new one. Right, where is it? Right, and I have installed the indicator relay. I'll show you. That's a new one. It's working now. So now I was like wondering what's wrong with my bike, man. Something is wrong, and I thought maybe it was a regulator. There's a cable underneath the regulator. I thought maybe one wire bent, but nah, it's not. So I check. There's a main fuse here that is the main fuse for a bike. That's the main fuse. There's two fuse here. Alright, I checked, I removed them. I found a lot of corrosion in there, and then I thought maybe it was gonna work because I cleaned them up and I put them back, and I tried to turn on the key for the bike. The light was going on, and then I had the creaking sound, and then after that it almost started. Then I realized that something still maybe dead in. I tried to look at the fuse. I look at the fuse was like that. I don't know if you can see. I open it up somewhere here on the top, and then I found out all the fuses are blown up. So I tried to just breeze them because I don't have a fuse right now. I breeze them up. I tried to put them back. The bike starts. So maybe you have the same issue on this Honda cbf125 2008 model. If you have the same issue, what I recommend is check this main fuse first, and then there's a couple under the regulator that you check it, and then you have to check this fuse that is on the terminal of the battery. Alright, one of them can cause the bike not to start. So I sorted it out now. I just put the battery on for a charge, to charge maybe until 1 o'clock, and after that I have to put it in, and then I have to drive right to Simon, and then go and buy a new fuse and put it in. Thanks for watching. Thanks, cheers.